I've made these awesome images for free. Can this new AI tool beat Midjourney? Watch this video to access this new AI tool while it's still free. And this is the dashboard of Leonardo.ai. For the people who don't have access to it, there's one smart hack to do this. I went to Leonardo.ai. I signed up here the email and then I said launch app. And then I say, yes, I'm whitelisted. And tada, I got inside of Leonardo.ai. We're going to start with the AI generation. Here you can put your prompt in it. So, and here you can use different kind of models. And I say, and then I say generate. And there you have it. This one looks all right. But what is so cool about this is that we can go to this and then we go to this one. And then I choose this one. Then I say I copy this prompt. Okay, this is copied. Go to AI image generation. And then I put this in and then I say generate. And then I get kind of same as the one you did before. And that's very nice of Leonardo.ai.